How to use Signal with a secondary device. Are you guys facing issues to use Signal application with a secondary device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To use a Signal app with a secondary device like a laptop or tablet, first make sure Signal is already installed or set up on your primary phone. Then go to secondary device, download and open Signal desktop. It will show a QR code. Now go back to your phone, open Signal, tap your profile icon and go to link devices. Tap plus icon or link new device and scan the QR code shown on a secondary device like laptop or tablets. Once scanned, give the device a name and tap finishing link. Your message will now sync securely to that device. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to use Signal with a secondary device. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.